Welcome back to my channel, and today is anong araw? What is the day today? Ito, September 15, 2:40 na ng hapon at kami ay paalis, maghanap na naman ng pagkain. Nalasing kami kagabi guys, kaya we woke up so late. But we're ready for the day. See you.
Outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth.
Okay, magmaritis ata guys.
It can be raining that day, you don't know.
Could be, I don't know. But anyway, i-chika ko muna sa inyo yung nangyari. Grabe, intense. Pagkalabas namin ng hotel, pagka-open ko ng door, there were so much people running towards the water. And, with life jacket, parang isa Baywatch talaga. And then people were like in panic, and I was like, what's going on? I asked one of the ladies, and they said one of the Koreans nag-snorkeling, tapos biglang nawala siya sa grupo. So yung husband niya is sobrang worried, so everybody were like going there, pointing in that direction because they see something like a hand going up, kasi nga naman yung wave sobrang lakas, and apparently they've been warned already not to go to the water kasi nga it's very dangerous, but then they did it anyway. But then at the end, buti na lang naligtas yung Korea, nakita siya. It's just she's not drowning, pero ang layo na niya sa shore. Pero yeah, that's good thing na naligtas siya, okay siya. Kaya main lesson pag sinabihang wag pumunta sa water, even if you can swim, even if you're an expert, don't do it. Kasi, baka pagsisihan lang natin. So, yun. Bigla akong nagising, Tapos, nag-ano din ako doon, parang, I was there, naki-assure din what's going on, ganyan. Pero good thing naman talaga, safe lang yung Korean. So, everything is well. Right now, nasa restaurant kami, it's called Three Bears. Dito sa Malunod, Cebu, and we've ordered some food. We're just waiting, and yeah, dito kami. Maganda kasi may electric fan sa taas, and it's so warm in here. Tapos the last time we were here, that was 2 years ago, sobrang may life kasi ang daming tao, ganyan. Tapos ngayon guys, halos lahat ay sirado, wala masyadong tao. Maybe it's also because it's low season, pero still parang kami lang yung tao dito. But I'm not complaining, I'm enjoying it. But it would have been nicer if may mga tao para happy ganyan. So yun, ang update. Tomorrow my family is gonna be here, and we're gonna be in another resort. Actually, I don't think it's a resort, it's like a homestay apartment, something like that. Ay, maganda siya kasi may swimming pool. So, hindi tayo mag-worry about na wala bigla dahil sa wave. So, yeah. And, we arrived here last Sunday, and today is Thursday. Ang bilis lang ng oras. For all we know, 3 weeks, ganun lang kadali. So, ina-enjoy talaga namin yung moment. Kinakain ko yung mga pagkain na nami-miss ko, na hindi ko makakain sa Denmark. So, I'm enjoying my vacation. And sana kayo din, if nag-vacation kayo.
There was no people died.
This is their mango shake.
And water!
This is their food. I love it. Looks pretty. Yumsy. There's water. Really good. Martin's eating now. So, let's start. Crispy.
Crispy.
The breading.
Super good.
actually decent food though, compared to yesterday.
It's not cheap, but it's certainly good. Red onion. Actually, no, no, no.
We're using red onions all the time compared to the white.